guys, good morning. Hey, dami oh. Nandito kami ngayon sa van number 1. It's day 7 on our stay in the Philippines. So, we have 3 cars, van 1, van 2 in here, and 4 cars. Yeah. Checking kami sa Villa Escudero for day 7. See you later. Hi guys, we're now here at Villa Escudero. Nandito kami ngayon sa check-in, nag-check-in sila mami. Ito kami lahat. Ayan. Mamaya pakita natin. Ito check-in nila area. Hello guys, good morning. First part of our tour is museum tour with the whole family. Hey. Hey. Kapite daw, kapite.
Pakaya tayo po mga ticket.
Apo.
Ticket po, ticket.
Going to museum tour po na dyan eh. Yeah.
Dito na po, ma'am.
Hey guys!
Hi guys! Hey guys! Hey, wave. See you later!
Where?
Paul, the photographer. Louder! That's the side!
Right guys, we're here in the famous Falls Lunch in Villa Escudero. Ito yung buffet lunch in here. Tapos ito kami kakain in the falls. Yung falls oh. Guys, room tour. So ito yung villa na nakuha namin. Yan. Meron siyang riverside. Ito yung kwarto, simpleng-simple lang. Dito kami ni Camille. Yan. Toilet. Just the standard toilet, shower.
Kasi ano?
You know. Then, meron tayong hammock dito. Ito yung parang lunch area. And ito yung connecting flight nila Tito Marlon. Same lang naman nung feature nung sa amin, pares lang. Yan, riverside din. Tapos sa taas, andun sila Carl. Ang maganda dito sa nakuha namin is connecting siya. Akit tayo. Yan. Yung first floor.
Kung kailangan ko kayo ito yung service, press mo po.
Yan. Ito naman yung room sa taas.
Anak dito dali may connection.
Oh, yun may connection daw.
Guys, may connection dito.
Ayun, may connection daw. Yan. Riverside din.
The room of
Same
the
lang.
second couple. Mag-sweetheart.
Second and third.
Second and third couple. Yung first couple dito is married and the second couple is married. Paano nga pala kami tatabi? Kasi sa kabila,
you know.
hindi pa married.
So, ayun. Yung room tour. Tapos, meron pa sa ibang villa. Pero what good about this villa is connecting. And it has a river view. Hello guys, naligo lang kami and then yung sa likod namin cultural show, Filipino cultural show. Ayan, yun sila. Ayun o, kita ba? Ayan natin. Hi guys, dinner time. Ganda ng jeep oh. Yan a traditional vehicle in the Philippines. Jeepney. Yan. So now we're heading to the dinner area. And so, parang dinner hall siya, malaking dinner hall. Andun yung family. Buffet din siya. Pakita namin yung food. So, ayun. Papunta na kami doon. Yan. See? Lakad lang. To Marvin, no? Marvin. Yan. To Marvin from Melbourne, Australia.
Hi to the vlog.
Yan. So, papasok na kami. Yan.
Ayun o.
Yun, no?
I-vlog na.
Eh, yung ano? Dinner time.
Hi!
Ano bang dinner natin?
Buffet. Buffet.
Buffet? Ako na lamang dagat.
Kare-kare.
Uy! Wow! Let's go! Thank you.